What is India's rank on the Global Firepower Index 2025? A. Second. B. Third. C. Fourth. D. Fifth. Correct answer is fourth. India has been ranked as having the fourth most powerful military in the world after the United States of America, Russia and China by the Global Firepower Index 2025. Bhutan was ranked at the bottom of the index at 145th position. Pakistan, which was ranked 9th in 2024, dropped to 12th position in the 2025 ranking. There has been no change in the ranking of the top 4 countries in the world as compared to 2024 Global Firepower Index. Which iconic tree of Kashmir is being conserved using geotagging technology? A. Chinar. B. Deodar. C. Willow. D. Poplar. Correct answer is Chinar. Authorities in Kashmir are geotagging thousands of chinar trees to create a comprehensive database for better management and conservation against urbanization and diseases. With QR codes recording 25 characteristics of each tree, the initiative aims to track changes and mitigate risks. Nearly 29,000 trees have been tagged, with more to follow. Who became the first Indian American and Hindu Second Lady of the United States? A. Usha Vance. B. Kamala Harris. C. Nikki Haley. D. Tulsi Gabbard. Correct answer is Usha Vance. Usha Vance made history by becoming the first Indian American and Hindu Second Lady of the United States. Her husband, J.D. Vance, was sworn in as the 50th Vice President of the United States, marking a significant milestone in American politics. Usha's journey, deeply rooted in her Indian heritage and her remarkable accomplishments, has garnered widespread attention and admiration. Which is the first state in Northeast India to pioneer property card distribution? A. Assam. B. Tripura. C. Mizoram. D. Meghalaya. Correct answer is Mizoram. Mizoram has become the first Northeast state to distribute property cards under the Swamitva scheme, which provides legal ownership documents to rural households. The state has already distributed 2,909 cards and plans to issue around 35,000 more in future phases, promoting rural development. In which state is the Tamirbharani Karumaniyar Nambiar River linking scheme being implemented? A. Karnataka. B. Kerala. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer is Tamil Nadu. The Tamirbharani Karumaniyar Nambiar River linking scheme is set to be inaugurated by Chief Minister M.K. Stalin on 7 February 2025. This ambitious project aims to benefit over 15,000 acres in the rainshadow regions of Tamil Nadu, specifically in Nanguneri, Thisaya, and Sattankulam. The initiative is part of a broader strategy to address water scarcity in drier areas of the state. Which state has implemented the Coordinated Early Warning System for Disaster Preparedness? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Kerala. C. Odisha. D. West Bengal. Correct answer is Kerala. Kerala is strengthening its disaster preparedness by introducing localized early warning systems and focusing on scientific land use to mitigate climate change impacts. In response to the 2024 Wayanad landslides, the state is developing more relief infrastructure. Which scheme has the Chhattisgarh government launched for the welfare of landless agricultural labourers? Correct answer is Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Bhumihin Krishi Mazdoor Kalyan Yojana. Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Vishnu Deosai on Monday launched Deen Dayal Upadhyay Bhumihin Krishi Mazdoor Kalyana Yojana in Raipur. Under this scheme, more than 5.62 lakh landless agricultural labourers, beggars and gunias of the state will be given financial assistance of 10,000 rupees annually. Which place in Jammu and Kashmir celebrated its first ever winter festival? A. Gulmarg. B. Pahalgam. C. Sarthal Valley. D. Sonmarg. Correct answer is Sarthal Valley. In a significant stride to promote tourism and highlighting the scenic beauty of the region, the district administration organized the first ever winter festival at the breathtaking Sarthal Valley in the Bani subdivision. In the Tata Chess Tournament, Gukesh defeated which player? A. Nodirbek Abdusattorov. B. Leonidas Kim. C. Michael Keemer. D. Hikaru Nakamura. Correct answer is Michael Kemar. World champion D. Gukesh, 18, surpasses Arjun Erigaisi to become the highest-ranked Indian chess player, now fourth in the latest FIDE rankings. With recent victories, Gukesh amasses 2784 rating points, while Erigaisi slips to fifth. Gukesh maintains an impressive undefeated streak in the Tata Steel tournament, highlighting his continued rise in the chess world. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.